Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Solomon. In this YouTube channel, I show you how to send money from Nigeria to any part of the world at your convenience. Like I said, whether you're sleeping, you're eating, when you're sleeping, you really cannot send money. Apart from sleeping, any other thing you're doing from your comfort. That's what I'm trying to emphasize on. From the comfort of wherever you may be, all right, and at minimal or zero fee, actually, all right. So, of course, um, here we are. We've gotten to this. If you've not watched other videos before this, do what to really help yourself to go back to them. Previous videos, they really help you, okay? And you get to know how we got to this segment or this section, and so you can easily pick up from here. And don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button. This video has been useful to you, or if you're following. All right, don't forget, if you have questions and comments, I'd like to hear them. I'd like to hear your comments. I'd like to read them. I'd like to see your questions. Just drop them in the comment section so we can get to talk from there. All right, thank you. Yep. So we are here and you want to send money out. Okay, say you want to use. Now, it ranks from this is how the ranking works. All right, you can notice from the highest to the lowest. All right, well, that means from the most favorable to the least favorable. All right, you can see this now. 0.852 is more favorable when compared to 0.850. Okay, 850 is better than 0.847. All right, you could say it's higher than. Yeah, you'll be right. So the options available to me, I'll then peruse through and peruse it and just see what I can work with. Say you want to use, I really don't know how Zen works. Say you want to use Zen, for example. I'm very familiar with Wise and normal bank transfer. You know that, all right? So you fill in your details. Remember, in the first video, in one of the first videos where I was showing how to use the P2P section, I showed you how to look up, what do you call it? How to look up merchants or advertisers, if they are trustworthy, if they are scam, if they are people you like to deal with, and all that. All right. So, but I'll just take you through it again. Okay. Simply put, what you do is, anytime you click on anywhere, you can actually click on anywhere in this advert section and your whatever you want, so long as it's within this range. All right, it's within this circle. Wherever you want will be displayed. In other words, the ad will pick. I click here now, it picks. All right, so I want to find out more about this guy, so I click on his seller's nickname. This is it here. So I'll click here, his seller's nickname that is underlined. All right. So I want to know more about him. If I really want to deal with him, is he a scam? What are others? What has been the experience of other users of this platform with him? What has the experience been like? You can see that positive feedback is 99%. So I want to see more. Okay. Average pay time is 2 minutes 51 seconds. Average release time is 1 minute 73 seconds. All right. So click on this positive feedback. I want to see more of him, and takes me here. So he has had 95 reviews so far, and 94 are positive, 1 is negative. Okay, others have been giving thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and all that. So one person said, I think this was 18th of this month, suspicious slash scam. I made an order for GBP via Zen, but he paid me the amount in euro instead of sending GBP. Okay, I don't know whatever happened. Maybe he made an honest mistake. I don't know. Okay, but it did happen, or something like that did happen, or at least somebody reported it. And you want to say this person deal with Wise. I want to check him out. Okay, so Wise transactions with this guy, has it been like? Okay, he has 97% feedback, positive feedback so far. All right, okay. As you can see, fast transaction, polite, friendly, good price. You see that this is someone that's experienced with him. And so, your experience with a dealer or with um, an advertiser or a merchant will be what you write on your review of him. Now you can see that this person is saying lack of communication, tried requesting crypto before payment was sent, stuff like that. Let's see how many other persons had similar experience. Okay, well, this language, if you understand this language, if you understand this language, so probably just translate for us in the comment section. And this as well, all right, I do not understand that. So, thank you. So, I do understand English. So, this person did say that this Jinlog lacks communication and tried requesting crypto before payment was sent. Okay, so we've seen that for the most part, his average release time is 4 minutes, approximately 5 minutes. Average pay time is approximately 4 minutes, or 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, his percentage, his completion rate is 86%. All right, so you can see as well, he buys and he sells. Look at his online ads. Okay, so this is him. So you can just check out whoever you want to use through this, right? So remember, we have say we want to use Wise, for example. 0.852 is what we had here. Oh, I beg your pardon, 10. I want to use Wise, for example. Now you're still comparing the prices, all right? You see, Wise, they are willing to give you at this merchant, the highest you find as at now, as the recording of this video, is a merchant, that's Jinlock, who is willing to sell for 0.842. So you see, that may be lesser than the amount you want to use initially. So you click on fiat. Is it fiat? Okay. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me correct it now. You have USDT, all right? When you are in the P2P section, you want to... Oh, have we even sent it here? Yeah, I think we send our pound sterling here, all right? So you want to transfer, rather you want to convert your pounds to USDT, okay, because they are buying and selling USDT, all right? Okay. So here we go. Don't be too long, please. So here we go. I'm showing you this. So we want to convert. No, before we can convert, we have to transfer. Don't forget, we have to transfer our pounds sterling, our GBP to pounds. Remember, we have so that we can convert. Okay, then take it back to the P2P, because you want to sell your USDT to the British pounds. Okay, so now we've already done the transfer. Want to do the conversion. So don't forget the section you are clicking on. So click on this and set USDT maximum preview conversion. All right, 12.43. Remember we started with 12.48. The conversion keep taking our monies for a ride. So go to P2P section again. So we'll go to the cell, yeah, and say select amount. You want to use 10 pounds. Of course, that's 10 pounds that we have, right? So we want to use Wise, all right? Remember the highest is 0.842. So you click on the trader, you click on oh, I did skip a part. After conversion, I did not transfer the money back to P2P. Sorry about that. All right, so USDT, right? Spot wallet to funding maximum, confirm transfer, P2P. Yeah, back to where we left off. Okay, so here we are, and we said 10 pounds. Then we want to use Wise. You see that? So this is what we're getting from Wise. Click on all. Click on all. So this is what the person would get. So 12.43 Okay, now remember, if we were not converting our pounds, we had 12.48. All right, 12.48 pounds sterling or USDT. After all the conversion here and there, due to the, of course, the tutorial, this because of what I'm trying to show you, how to. Okay, our money reduced to 0.12.43. I beg your pardon. So now we'll get the value of the GBP we'll get will be 10.46. Okay, but if we were not doing all this conversion, we would have still had 12.48. Don't forget. So, and that 12.48 would have given us 10.508 GBP if we're using Wise to receive this money. Okay, but we may not want to use Wise because we saw how the Zen had a higher amount, and maybe we just prefer Zen. So if we're using Zen, 0.852. So you can see this. Click on it. Please always try to read the person's terms. I'm online, blah 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 blah, and all that. Okay, so you click on this. So our 12.43, if we are sending with Zen, if we want to sell with Zen, we want to receive the money in Zen, that is, will give us 10.590. At the initial state will give us 10.633 GBP. So you can see that is if we did not convert our USDT to GBP. Okay, so you now know that now. So remember, if you were selling to your card, 1.8% would have had 10.34. Yeah, that's what we had then. 1.8% of 10.44 gave us 10.34. You see that? So, but coming directly to this place to sell, you see what you're having. So you have more money than if you sold to your card. Okay, so now this is for GBP. All right. So I'll show you. So that's what you do. You fill in your details. You 852. So let's say bank transfer. This video is getting too long. Cut it shortly. You can see that bank transfer, we are hardly going anywhere. The highest is giving us, you see, is lower. So 10.48. So far, with what we are seeing here, Zen seems to be what's more favorable for us. Okay, let's click on all. Or what's available. Zen. So far, Zen. I don't know what if there are hidden charges in Revolut. Is Wise transfer is higher than Revolut. Okay, but whichever favors you, maybe you can decide to let go with the few or pence or something. But the more the volume, the more it increases actually. All right, so I'll stop this here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post videos like these. And you know how things really work around you easily and sharply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.